You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
What's going on with your neck and your shoulder?
I've had pain and mobility for about 10 years. In 2009, I was in a car accident. Pain in my neck got worse. I've been to 6 physical therapists. I've been to 2 chiropractors. My general practitioner is an acupuncturist, and I've had a lot of relief with that, but I haven't had the pain or my issue solved yet.
What symptoms you experience? How much pain from 0 to 10?
The symptoms that I experience are a lot of muscle spasms throughout my trap, up my neck, down my shoulder blade. Will cause pretty bad pain to the point where I've gone to the emergency room quite a few times to help with pain relief. A lot of lost sleep due to the pain.
So interfere with your sleep?
Yes.
So what's difficult for you to do other than sleep?
A lot of things. Sitting in the car for a long time, I don't lift anything because that will cause pain right away. I'll go into bad pain. Typing, which is a large part of my job, lifting my arms above here, there's a lot of things I'm unable to do once I'm in pain, and a lot of things I'm unable to do to not cause the pain.
Okay. Let me see your range of motion when you start to feel pain.
About there.
About there. And where you feel the pain? Here. How much from 0 to 10?
About a 6. Right about there. Now the comfortable. Or
What
4.
about neck pain? You feel neck pain with turning?
Currently, yeah, a little uncomfortable, but not right now.
Okay. So the worst one is to the side, okay? As I told you, everything should be pain-free, so I'm gonna work. Yes. Is it okay to work in the back here?
Yep.
Yeah, you feel all this tightness here?
Yeah.
All right, bear with me just 1 second. Hang on 1 second. Karen? All right, so you're saying...
Okay, let's do the side.
And a little
Further, and where do you feel the pain now?
here and a tiny bit here.
Okay, so we're going further. That's good. Is it okay to work on the head area? So in the car accident, you said you jerked left and right.
Yes.
Let me know if that's painful. Is it painful?
It's uncomfortable.
Sorry, I'm gonna do some scrubbing. Yes. Okay, let's move your hair to the side.
They don't make it easy, do they? I'll notify my billing department. We should see something in the next 10 days. May I have a reference number, Karen?
It's good.
Now let's do the forward.
Thank you.
Let me know when you feel pain.
Are you still there?
Here.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.